For Ganesh Chaturthi, I'm going to show you all how to make a simple Mawa Modak. For that you will need 1.5 cup milk powder, half cup powdered sugar, half cup milk, 3 tablespoons of saffron milk, 1 teaspoon of ghee, 2 tablespoons of crushed cashews, 2 tablespoons of crushed almonds, saffron to make your saffron milk, and 1 teaspoon elaichi powder. So in your pan, first heat 1 teaspoon, half cup of milk. Also add 3 tablespoons of your saffron. Stir well and make sure everything is combined properly. Now add your 1.5 cup milk powder. Keep stirring it until it starts leaving the sides of your container. Once you finish mixing the mawa, put it in a bowl and let it cool down slightly. After it cools down, add your half cup of powdered sugar, your 1 teaspoon of cardamom powder to form a dough. Once you have mixed your mawa properly, grease your mold. Greasing your mold so that the dough does not stick to the... Take little mawa, form a small ball, place it inside your mold and shut your... Then take little of your dry fruits, add it inside your modak. Push it inside properly so that the shape gets formed. Once you have put all your stuffings inside, slowly open your mold and remove your modak. So out here I'm going to plate it using saffron. So I'm just taking few strands of saffron to just put it on top of each modak. And there we go. That's your homemade modaks from scratch.